Hey, it's Kate with WTI, and if you're looking for convenient egg storage, check out this egg holder from lazywoodpecker. I love the convenience of this egg holder, so it's stackable. I usually just use the bottom row because I don't usually have more than 18 eggs at a time. But if you happen to have a lot of eggs in your fridge, you can continue stacking these. Each row holds 1.5 dozen, so you can have a ton of egg storage. Now the best part is it's at a little bit of an incline, so your eggs roll to the front. It's so nice to not have to fumble with your eggs. You always have some right at the front ready to go. The top has a sturdy lid, so if you did want to stack something on top, you could. Your eggs would be totally safe. It's also easy to take apart, very easy to wash, and it doesn't take up a whole lot of space. So if you're also looking for a solution for egg storage, you want it to look really nice, but also be very functional, I think you'll be super pleased with this one, and that's my point of view.